muffler. Sorry, did I do something?
Nope, you're fine. Okay, pull that other piece out. Glasses.
What the fuck? I can't see.
Just go straight back.
The rubber's on. There's...
All right, got your old exhaust out and got it laid next to your new exhaust, right?
Yep.
All right, so now we know we got all the pieces. We are short one U-bolt or U-joint, whatever you crush sleeve, whatever you call it. But we can, I have one in the garage, it'll be fine. All right, so now we're gonna do some rough measurements. We know that we are exactly 2 inches off. So each one of these hangers is going to be 2 inches off, which is fine, and they bend a little bit. But it's definitely more than 2 inches off here. So I know that I'm going to have to take a little bit. So that's about 4.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is take 2 inches off and then bend these. And we'll take 2 inches off here at the cat and slide the muffler forward. Does that all make sense? Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we just transferred the O2 sensor from the old exhaust to the new exhaust, which is down here. Made sure not to touch the tip. And now we are going to, we have it kind of assembled, pulled apart, hanging in the Jeep, connected up. We have to go to the parts store to grab another ring, but after that, it should be all done. How much do you want me to tighten it?
Pretty tight.
Is it okay
Get
that
the
it's
other one.
moving?
Yeah, get the other one.
Done.
Why don't you go in and start your Jeep? Put your phone down. Go start your Jeep. Let's see if it rattles.
It's tapping at me. I'm gonna record it on my phone.
Pretty good, right?
It's loud! I'm just gonna be a stop like.
You're gonna scare people with your big 4-cylinder. It's 2 chipmunks running on a wheel.
I think I'm a maraca.
You think that might be the noise that you were hearing?
Might be. Maybe.
I think all the baffles are just floating around in there. All right. All right, throw that junk away.